Welcome, today I'm with Realme 8i and I'll show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper. So first you should go to the settings and here tap to the screen to the personalizations. Just tap on that and here you'll see the wallpapers. Click on wallpapers and here, like you see, you can choose your wallpapers from the photos from your phone and also from the static wallpapers or live wallpapers. For example, I'll go in with this one and now just scroll down and you can choose wallpaper what I want. For example, I'm going with this one. Just tap to apply and choose the lock screen. So wait 1 second and now we can check that. So our wallpaper has changed successfully, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.